Dear students of class 5, we have already discussed about simple future tense. Today we will discuss about future continuous tense. Definition. The future continuous tense is often used to talk about something happening at a given point of time in future. So it tells us about an action that is about to happen or going to be held at a given point of time in future. The uses. The situations in which we use this tense is to make predictions about the present. So sometimes when we make predictions about the present moment, we use it, though it represents the present, the prediction about the present moment. The structure is future continuous tense. For example, mother will be cooking dinner now. Here we are talking about something that might be happening at the moment, although the structure is in future continuous tense. So here we are making some prediction what mother is going to do, but the structure we are using is future continuous tense. Now, to express parallel actions in future. So parallel actions means two actions when two actions go or happen or occur together. For example, Sam will be dancing while Ronnie will be singing. Here we can see that two actions are done, dancing and singing, and two different persons are doing these two actions. So two actions, dancing and singing, are going on parallelly. So to identify them, to represent them, we are using future continuous tense. Next, to describe an action that will be in progress at a particular time in future. This is the most common situation when we use future continuous tense to describe an action that will be in progress at a particular time in future. So an action that generally we expect to happen or to occur at a particular time in future. For example, at 4 p.m. tomorrow I'll be watching television. So the point of time given here is 4 p.m. and at that time the activity, the action of watching television will be going on. It will be continuing. Generally continuous tense, you know, we express the actions that will be continuing. Here the action will be continuing some time or at a point of time in the future. The action will not be completed. It will be going on. Now, as you have seen in past tense, we also used some expressions of time. Here also we have some expressions that we use to mark the point of time. Common time expressions used with the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is commonly used with the following time expressions. What are they? They are while, when, this time tomorrow, this time next week, in the afternoon, next month, next week, next year, etc. So these are the point of time, expressions of time that we use to express the point of time in the future. So this much today. We will discuss more about the structure, about future continuous tense in the next video. Thank you.